Gland packing versus mechanical seal. What is the difference? Both gland packing and mechanical seal are used to prevent leakage from rotating equipment such as pumps. Although they serve the same purpose, they work in different ways. Let's understand the difference. What is gland packing? Gland packing consists of braided packing ring installed around the pump shaft. A gland follower compressor the packing the reduce leakage. A small amount of leakage is normal because it helps lubricate the and cool the packing. What is a mechanical seal? A mechanical seal uses two precision mechanical seal faces, one rotating with the shaft and one stationary. These faces create a tight seal that minimizes leakage. Mechanical seal provides much better sealing performance than gland packing. Key differences: gland packing. A small leakage is acceptable, lower initial cost, easy to replace, requires regular adjustment. Mechanical seal, very low leakage, higher efficiency, less maintenance, higher initial cost. Common applications: gland packing used for water pumps, slurry pumps, older equipments. Mechanical seal used for chemical pumps, higher pressure pumps, hazardous chemical service. Which one should you choose? If low cost and simple maintenance are the priority, gland packing may be suitable. If safety, reliability and minimum leakage are important, a mechanical seal is usually the better choice. Key way to remember: gland packing, controlled leakage; mechanical seal, minimum leakage. Conclusion: selecting the right sealing system improves pump reliability, reduce maintenance cost and enhance plant safety. Follow Industrial Operation Academy for practical knowledge of chemical plant operation, maintenance, instrumentation and industrial safety.